Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, September 11th. This is a brief late morning session. I got a chance to make a few casts on one of my favorite sound effect places, managed to catch some fish, and I included a clip showing the unexpected things bass eat. That's the clip right after this one. Hope you enjoy the video. God bless you. There we go. Morning, buddy. Alright, you're okay. Thank you, my friend. Hey! Morning. You're okay. Why don't you just spit up? See what you've been eating. Wow. That is a baby turtle. And it came out of his mouth. I've never seen that before. I didn't even know for sure that they ate turtles. That's a baby turtle, and you ate him. Not sure how I feel about that, bro. This bass just spit out this baby turtle. I just ate him this morning, be my guess. He seems real fresh. All right, I'm gonna give him back to you. That looks like a nice fish. He wasn't playing. Wow. That is a big bass for this place. Come on out of here, buddy. You ain't that hook well. Wow. You are definitely a PB for this place. Good gracious. My goodness. You are a big boy. Thank you very much, my friend. You are a handsome fish. Alright, I got you. Thank you for playing, bro. Nice. I'm guessing that's who was making that ruckus out there. Apologize for the dump trucks on parade. Another nice fish. Yeah, it's not that big. He's just enthusiastic. Morning, buddy. Thank you, my friend. Have a fantastic day. let's call it the deal. Just coming to find you, bro. Thank you, my friend. You're beautiful. Here's a bassy bass. What's up, dude? Thank you, my friend. You're beautiful. Another nice fish in this little place. And another dump truck. See if we can get you on and off quick, bro. We're getting ready to get dump trucked. Thank you, my friend. The dump trucks are coming. The dump trucks are coming. Have a great day. Thank you for playing. I think that one's going to about do it. Got a whole bunch of dump trucks back and forth. It's kind of ruins the peace and quiet of this place, but caught a few fish. Caught a new personal best here. A beautiful morning, late morning. Got here around 10:30, 10:45. I think I've been here about 40 minutes. Anyways, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. God bless you.